I think our experience overall has been phenomenal. We've been coming to Bangalore Baptist Hospital for very many years because we stay close by. But a surgery of this magnitude, a problem of this severity was the first time that we were encountering. And what gave us the biggest comfort was the way the whole thing was explained and the way the hospital took care of everything without giving us any grief or reason to worry. I think under Dr Thabit and team's care, we've had a wonderful experience, and I think she is coming back home tomorrow feeling a lot more relieved and confident thanks to the care of the entire nursing team, the doctor's team, and specifically to Dr. Thabit under Bangalore Baptist Hospital. Thank you so much.